Hey guys, Jordan here at Valiant Trailers. I just wanted to make a real quick video to introduce to you the new XTD Build It Yourself Kit program. If you have ever wanted to build your own overland trailer, but you don't want to deal with the headache of actually figuring out how to build the trailer frame, build the cab, do all that stuff, paper it, get it legal, well, now we've got you covered. So we are going to start in September 2022, so this September, shipping out fully completed exterior kits. So you're going to get a fully powder coated trailer with a fully powder coated cab, complete with all of the components that you ask us to ship you inside the trailer. So the inside of the trailer will be bare. It'll be packed with all of the material and equipment that you ask for and ready for you to get to work. I'd encourage you to go to the website, go to the kits page and read through. There's a ton of information on here on basically how the whole system will work, from the ordering process to what you're going to receive with the trailer. So go ahead and read through this. We'll have pricing packages on here. We have some information on the new YouTube series that we're going to post to our channel. I will be personally building my own XTD from a kit. I've never had my own XTD before, so I'm going to start with one of these kits the same way you'll receive it, and that's going to happen here in the next couple of months before our kits start shipping out. So you'll be able to follow along on our YouTube channel, watch me as I go through and build one of these things so you can see how do I wire 12-volt accessories, how do I install and frame a door, things like that. So we'll go ahead and post that stuff to our YouTube channel so you can follow along. We have a breakdown here on the website for how the ordering process works. So scroll through that, take a look at it. Down at the bottom, you'll see the downloads. There's the actual package comparison, which you can see up above. We have the a la carte order sheet. This is where you can select individual components to add to your order, or order additional components in addition to one of the packaged add-on packages. And then you can also, this is the main XTD order form. So you'll fill out the main XTD order form, you'll fill out the a la carte order sheet, and send those both to us. That way we can get a full breakdown of everything that you're looking for, and we can get your package on the books. So anyway, I am very excited about this. Please go to the website, read through this stuff. I know these kit spaces are going to go quick because we can't build a ton of them. And like I said, we're going to ship the first ones in September out of the Idaho facility. So if you want to get one to work on over this fall, this winter, I'd recommend that you get with us pretty quick so that we can get you on the list. Anyway, go to the website, valiantexp.com, and then go over to our new kits page. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Phone number 907-232-1746. I'll be around. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.